Here at Arcus, we provide a respectful, dignified service in community living. We support medically fragile individuals and individuals that have high behavioral needs. We have 38 homes spread out over the Lower Mainland and over 500 employees.
A number of years ago, we experienced our highest ever claims cost, and it was untenable. We actually lost money as an organization that year.
It wasn't the severity of the incidents, it was the duration of the claims. As those claims went on, it increases your costs, which then in turn will affect your experience rating.
And then the very unfortunate cascading effect is that the people who remain at work end up working longer hours over time, which has a direct correlation to injury and having the continuity of care for the people that we serve. So we decided to attack the problem. So that was the Return to Work program.
I was injured at work about 2.5 years ago, and when I went off work, there was a lot of uncertainty about where I was going to go with my career. But I spoke with Kim, my supervisor, and we were able to come up with a plan.
After somebody reports an injury, we will have a discussion to see what their limitations are, and we will build a modified work offer.
I got to just start by coming in, helping with some engagement with people, and then slowly working into some admin stuff. It was great. I was able to have a say in my return to work.
The focus is on the individual, and so we work with folks to ensure that their recovery is supported and that they're connected to the workplace and that they're contributing to our community of care in a meaningful way while they're recovering from their injury.
It gave me more of a purpose. I was able to learn a new skill and feel like I was actually still contributing. It was nice to be able to be a part of something again.
It also ensures that there isn't risk of greater injury or mental health claims as a result of being isolated and injured and disconnected from their workplace. So including them keeps the team together, which makes people feel cared for, makes them feel important and valued, which they are. One of the chief strategic benefits is that we have very, very low turnover. We have a very high retention rate. And from a financial perspective, we have the lowest overtime we've had in 10 years. That has tremendous benefits, not just financially, but on the load for the people who are at work.
Our average before was over 1,500 missed work days in a year. So where we are now, once we've implemented this return to work program, we're averaging about 200 missed work days a year. So it's a significant decrease since we've implemented this program. WorkSafeBC was incredibly supportive, and part of how we were able to do it under 2 years, like not even a year and a half.
The minute we asked for help, everything was available to us, and the number of employer resources that were simply there was incredible.
Having the return to work, it shows that Arcus is loyal to their employees. It shows that they care, and I'm back to work now, and I know that the program and my manager will be there if I need anything in the future.
I feel incredibly proud where we are today. Just as we want to see the individuals we serve succeed in life, we want to see our staff succeed as well.
I'm just so grateful that the program exists, and I'm grateful for all the support that we've had. It's been a wonderful journey, and I'm excited to see where we go from here.